Now that I'm back in the rig, I'm excited to show you this that I had received. They are rechargeable batteries. I use a lot of the AA, AAA batteries, but especially the AA batteries because of my fairy lights. I go through so many batteries. So when they offered to send me these rechargeable batteries, I was like, yes, please. So they had sent me the bigger ones, and the bigger ones, I really don't have anything that, you know, fit those bigger ones, the first ones that I opened. So I'm going to give those away. So if anyone, you know, has something that requires I believe they're called the C batteries, I'm going to do a giveaway. Be on the lookout for that. So this is where my handy dandy flash fish will come in to play. I have not used it in 3 weeks, and look, it's still charged up. It has kept its battery power all that time. So I just haven't been at the rig, and I forgot to take it with me to the house. So let me go ahead and connect these. I think I need 2 hands. Well, there you go. See, I'm more talented than I thought. That was easy. So I'm gonna let these charge overnight. If you have sensitivities to flashing lights and you have seizures due to strobe lights or flashing lights, I don't know if this is gonna be powerful enough to cause anyone any harm, but I just want to give that warning that I'm going to turn this on and there will be some blinking lights. So you might want to look away. There we go. So I plugged them all in. They are flashing on my flash fish. So yeah, this is perfect. I'm going to get these charged up and install them in my fairy lights. Perfect. You know what? I'm going to plug this in and turn this off. I love it. I love flashing lights. Those batteries are, you know, normal AA batteries. The other ones, the C's, are the ones that I'm going to give away. I'll show you those again. These are the C batteries. And like I said, I don't have anything that requires this size. I've never even seen this size before. So see how they compare to the AA? And I'm so used to the other type of C batteries that are a little bit shorter and fatter. These are lithium rechargeable batteries. So there's certain things that take these. I just don't have anything. So that is why I will be giving these away. So these are the AAA. See the difference? But my fairy lights, these are my fairy lights, they take the AA. And I go through these so quickly. That'll be nice to have rechargeable ones. Make sure that it's the right size. Yes, see? Look at this. Let's see if it's got enough charge. Look at that. Already. All right, perfect. That's what I need. Because these get pricey. You know, when you're using them all the time, they get really pricey. And I have 3 strands of fairy lights. What I like to do is put my batteries in my fairy light and put the fairy lights in a mason jar, and then they serve as like a little night light. And I don't have to worry about, you know, going through batteries all the time. And I can have a night light every night. Or I can string them out, you know, I can pull them out. But I like to put them in the jar and put them by my bedside. And I have these in my kitchen area. Having these batteries, it's gonna save me a lot of money in the long run, because I do go through quite a bit of batteries, because I use these every single night that I'm in the rig. You know, I like the dim lights, and then I've got those up there, along with the ones in my mason jar and the ones in the back bedroom. So I could just revolve the batteries that I have, and never have to buy batteries again.